When we mention additive manufacturing or 3D printing to people, we often hear the same few misconceptions. That it's a novelty, that it's only for prototyping, or that it's expensive. But it's really quite the opposite. We as a company are on track to cut our operating costs 60% over the next 6 years through additive manufacturing, and ultimately passing those savings on to our customers, allowing them to become more competitive in existing and new marketplaces.
Additive manufacturing has allowed the TyRex technology family to improve existing parts and products with major competitive cost advantages, and with product design modifications, sales price points, and timelines previously unimaginable. These future cost reductions will create a competitive edge on a global scale. It has the power to reinvent nearly every step of the manufacturing process, from prototyping to production to inventory management. But these benefits take effort to unlock, and change doesn't come overnight. At TyRex, we knew it would be a challenge, so we first set out to prove the power of additive by reinventing ourselves. Again, the results have spoken for themselves, putting us on track to become exceedingly competitive globally by continuing to reduce our manufacturing costs over the next 6 years. With additive, we have empowered every member of our TyRex business family to rethink our procedures, operations, and relationships to see if and how they could be time and materials cost improved. It's not only changed our bottom line, it's changed our culture. We started new initiatives, like promoting and training employees to develop iMindset by adopting and integrating additive manufacturing into individual and collective thinking.
While 3D printing these existing parts and products, we were able to include design modifications as well. We began by disrupting our more traditionally minded competitors by creating these same traditionally molded plastic parts into new 3D printed parts that were customizable, less expensive, and printed on demand, eliminating the needs and costs of holding inventory.
We also began serving our partners in emerging markets by designing and building prototypes that are better, faster, and cheaper, allowing them to experiment and iterate without the expense and delay of molds. It is the same for the products that we produce that are still best served by traditional means. 3D printing jigs and fixturing has allowed us to produce them faster and more efficiently, saving even more labor cost.
Being committed to a 60% cost reduction is a formidable challenge. However, we can already demonstrate a 25% on average cost reduction on converted existing parts and products. We are passing these cost savings on to our customers while maintaining consistent gross margins in our sales. Our TyRex 3D printing engineering design team continues to use 3D printing to create new and exciting parts, products, and programs, pushing the envelope for more and greater competitive strategic business positions in the marketplace.
Through our experience, the question of whether additive can change manufacturing has been answered. It's not a gimmick, it's not just for prototypes, and it's a technology of the future. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the way we think and work.